Did you know there's a bridge that only appears when the moon is full and your heart carries the weight of unfinished goodbyes? In Moonlight Village, old stories whisper of such a bridge. Every few years, someone claims to see it spanning the dark river, made of ancient wood that glows like silver under moonlight, but only those who grieve the dead can find it. Young Sarah lost her husband too soon, too suddenly. Questions burned in her heart like dying embers. So when the lunar eclipse painted the sky blood red, she walked to the river's edge. There it stood, the phantom bridge older than memory itself. At its center waited her beloved husband, translucent as morning mist. His voice carried across the water like wind through leaves. "Cross to me, and learn the truth of my death," he whispered. "But know this, my love, those who cross completely can never return to the living world." The bridge pulsed with ancient magic, created by village shamans who knew love's power. Sarah stood at the threshold between worlds, her choice echoing through eternity.